Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Bit of a different one today. We're working on Bekki's van. It's my friend Bekki. She's got a T4 named Tilly. And I'm going to be showing you all how to fit a Campervan's swivel base in a T4, a VW T4. So Bekki's got the double seat, and you just want a bit more room, didn't you? Just to be able to sort of swivel it around when you got the kids in here and that. And
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Hoping it'll provide a little bit more space and make it so that it's a little bit more of a sociable space.
Sociable space, I like that. Right, okay, let's get this unboxed and see what's involved. Right, let's get this opened and have a look. You go, it's yours, you open. You open it. I get all excited, it's like it's Christmas.
Oh!
It's very similar actually to the T5 one.
Is it?
Yeah, it's only T4 though, look.
Yeah, hopefully I ordered the right like side, because it said left or right and I had to actually think about it.
Yeah, it looks exactly the same as the T5 one.
Oh.
Right, let's get this out, and I think the first thing we'll have to do is get your seat removed, and then get this fitted in place.
Okay.
Right. So first port of call, we have to get the you've got 4 15mm nuts, or there's studs coming out the floor. 4 15mm nuts that you have to undo to actually lift the seat off itself. So we shall get those off. I don't know if I'll get the impact under there, so we'll just have to use get the ratchet on. We have had this seat off a few weeks ago, so we fitted a diesel heater for Bekki. Not long after I fitted my diesel heater, you decided you wanted a diesel heater, didn't you?
I did, I needed it nice and toasty in there.
So yeah, so we fitted it. I was going to do a video for that one, but we didn't really have time, so...
and it was cold.
And it was cold, yeah. So, yeah, hence the reason for fitting a diesel heater. So, right, let's get these nuts undone and get this seat out. Right, so that's the nuts undone now, so we can now take the seat out, which is difficult because they weigh about 400 tonnes. Let's get these off here quickly.
Do you need those off?
Yeah, let's shift them out a little bit. That one will probably be all right there. Right, let's get this lifted out. Hi. Seat out. Right, we can put the base down. Okay, so once you've got the standard seat out, you've got your swivel base here, and then with the supplied nuts for the 10mm studs here, you have to put a washer. You might have to be camera woman for me and angle the camera down a little bit because you can't see. You might have to tilt it a little bit. There you go. So these studs here, you put a washer on the bottom and a nut on top of that, and tighten all. You've got 4 of these, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Tighten them down, and then you're ready to put the base on top. That's just to space the base up a little bit. But I'll get these tightened down. Right, we've got Bekki as the camera woman at the moment, so if we are wobbly, it's your fault. It's because you haven't had a drink today yet, isn't it? So we've got the 4 washers and nuts on the existing studs on the van floor, as you can see here. It's actually nice to have a camera person.
Ooh.
It's the first time I've ever had anyone operate the camera with me.
Am I doing a good job?
I think so. We'll find out when I go to it. We are off to, where are we off to soon? Dubs in the Middle, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
So it's a festival in Worcestershire. I've not been before.
Worcestershire.
You've been a few times, haven't you?
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah, we're going to take you out your comfort zone and take you on a little van weekend.
With the girlies.
With the girls.
Hey. So I might do a video there, but I'll have a word with other people and just make sure they are okay with me doing that. Because I know some people don't like to be sort of filmed and stuff, do they?
No.
But yeah, if everyone's okay with me doing a little bit of recording, I might do a little video. This is why I was thinking about getting the meta glasses, you see. Because then you can sort of record hands-free.
Yeah, you just want an excuse to buy more stuff.
Man's got to have his gadgets.
The boys and their toys.
Bekki and her swivel seat base.
Woohoo! Go on, use them muscles.
Right, so we are all bolted to the floor. Put these back in, give them a little nip up.
Is it really that easy?
That is really that easy.
I'll be interested to see how easy it is to actually swivel the seat.
I do have one of these in my van, and they're not the easiest to swivel around, I'm not going to lie. So I'm assuming we have got it the right way around, that at the back.
Yeah,
it would make sense.
Yours is a T5, mine's a T4. Perhaps there's more room in mine.
Right, I'll get this, let's get this seat lifted up and put in here. Hi. So we've got the seat back in, and now you've got, under the base here, you've got 6 bolts or 6 studs coming through from the swivel base here, and with the supplied nuts and washers, you literally pop them on, tighten them all up. I think fitting the base is actually easier than trying to swivel it. Sorry, caravans. But once they're swiveled round, it gives you so much more room.
Well, I hope I can do it on my own, like swivel it. Given that I am,
Like swivel?
A girl.
Well, you're a pretty good girl because you manage most things by yourself.
Well, this is true.
Actually, no, that's complete bullshit because I do it for you.
Anything van related you do, yeah.
What company built your van, Bekki?
Ian.
Right, let's get these all bolted down. Right, and as you can see, we are all fitted. All done. 15 minutes, 20 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a hard job getting them in. Right, are you going to attempt to give it a swivel?
Yeah, what do I need to do?
Right, so first of all, see your little knobbly bits down there?
Yeah.
Unscrew them. Sorry, did I do that up a bit tight?
I mean, that one's all right.
That is a little bit tight. You know, oddly enough, that is tight on my van, that one as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, well that one's easy. That one's out.
These little pegs here.
Do they have to come all the way out?
Yeah, yeah. So see the little pegs that go through?
Yeah.
Lift them up through the little slots there.
Yeah.
Twist, and they sit on the top there, like that.
Okay.
And you do the front, same to the front ones. You've got 2 at the front as well.
Okay.
Okay, I think I just found my thumb now. Now, if I'm honest, I'm not actually sure of the correct way to turn these. When I turn mine, I just kind of wing it.
Well, we'll soon see. Right,
So I think it goes. So I think it's easier to stand inside the van. Look at the excitement. Right, let's have a go at swiveling it.
Well, I reckon that's doable.
That is simple, isn't it? There's no backwards and forwards or anything. It is just literally swivels
Spins
on the axis.
around.
That is a lot easier than the T5 one to swivel. A lot easier.
Yeah. What's it like with the door closed? Well, it does rub a little bit, but
Yeah, it just turns
it's
straight
fine.
on the axis, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that is really good. That's a nice, easy, simple swivel seat base, that is. I bet you'll chuff with that, ain't you?
Yeah, very. I need to get the front one done now.
So that round, so you can fit your bunk beds on the thing for the kids, yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Nice.
Job well jobbed.
Absolutely, thank you.
So that is Bekki's seat base all fitted, but we'll do a little walk around to Bekki's van quickly. Neville sitting over there. Neville's had a bit of a crunch on
Oh
the
God, she's filthy though.
front bumper. What was that?
She's filthy.
Yeah, I've ordered a new splitter, but I have managed to rip the splitter off the front of Neville there. But yeah, so this is 2002.
Yeah.
2002 T4. Well, she's a little bit muddy, isn't she?
She is, she's filth, bless her.
But Bekki does loads in the van. You go loads of places, don't you?
Yeah, I do, yeah. She's a well-loved family member. She's our daily, isn't she?
Yes, yeah, same as mine. Salford is my happy place. Smut Street.
You didn't have to record that.
Right, okay, so yeah, that is how to fit a swivel seat base in a T4, a 2002 T4. Really easy. T5s are really easy as well. T5s are a lot more difficult to swivel the chair around. As you can see, this was really easy to swivel around, which you're quite chuffed about, aren't you?
Yeah,
You've seen
absolutely.
it, how much of a pain it is for mine to swivel around. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, everybody. If you'd like to, give me a like and subscribe. You might see more of Bekki if we do a video at Dubs in the Middle in Worcestershire. I've obviously got one coming up with I've swapped over to lithium in my van, and yeah, I hope to get a lot more videos out this year. So thank you very much, guys. Take care.